All across Africa, animal skin hides have played a powerful role in traditional life. From royal palaces to village compounds, leather and animal hides have been used for generations, especially by chiefs, kings, and traditional priests. These materials are not just clothing, they carry meaning, status, identity, and ancestral pride.
It's a big alligator.
Before we continue, welcome to Avadada TV, where African culture comes alive. From traditional dances to soulful music, from ancient stories to colorful traditions, this is your home for real African heritage. Whether you're here to learn, reconnect, or just enjoy, Avadata TV brings you Africa's true spirit, proudly shared with the world. Come along and explore with us. Come closer. Let us unwrap the meaning behind the beauty.
In many communities, hides from cows, goats, antelopes, and even wild animals are used to make robes, skirts, shoes, bags, and ceremonial items. These hides are often handcrafted by skilled artisans, passed down through generations. They wash, stretch, and treat skin using traditional methods, sometimes with 3-bark, charcoal, or oil. Then, through patient, skilled hands, the raw hides are transformed into elegant shoes, decorative bags,
The alligator bag.
ceremonial drums, or fashion accessories. Each item tells a story of tradition, craftsmanship, and creativity. Today, the tradition continues, but with a modern twist. Some African fashion designers are now blending the old with the new, and the results are stunning.
It's your boy JKA. I'm in the building today with Winston Leather, new collection, August 1st. This shit drops like fire.
Winston Leather is a well-known Nigerian leather brand founded by Winston Udega, based in Kano, Nigeria.
Nigerian leather is some of the most valuable leather in the world. We know that our leather is good enough to make bags and shoes for the biggest fashion houses in the world. So why can't we make it here in Africa?
His company came out of a long-established leather family business called God's Little Tannery, and now produces its own finished goods such as bags, shoes, belts, even ceremonial accessories, many made from exotic skins like python, ostrich, crocodile, and more.
You know, and we need to encourage what we do here. If somebody will be told that what we have seen here is entirely Nigeria, yet we go abroad, we spend all the thousands and millions of dollars buying certain things. If we think within us that we can do it and get to know that Winston does the same thing they do in Europe.
The same thing Louis Vuitton does. The same thing Louis Vuitton does.
This is beautiful. Smooth.
Genuinely done.
You know, I have to, this has to go to the office with me. This is beautiful.
Most high-end European brands, think about Louis Vuitton, ralphlauren, actually sourced their leather from Nigeria. Winston Leather's parent tannery has supplied their hides for decades. Yet, Africa was exporting raw leather while finished products were made abroad.
So for more than 500 years, Western traders have come to Timbuktu, Mali, and to Morocco, to buy what today is known as Kano red leather.
Winston Leather flips that by making luxury leather goods in Nigeria that rival international standards at prices below $200.
So we're doing made in Africa that can compete on a global level. So when you see a bag made in Nigeria now, and you see a bag that you are buying from any other country where you go shopping, it's the same. But because we don't have the middleman cost, we don't have the transport cost of taking it abroad, and the transport cost of bringing it back, it's cheaper to buy in Africa for the same quality. And it's been amazing. 3 years later, we export to 14 countries.
Winston Udege's mission is to shift value back to Africa using local craftsmanship and sustainable practices, and making luxury more accessible for Africans themselves. In South Africa, designers like Palesa Designs and Temba Designs are using ethically sourced hides to make bold contemporary pieces. And in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe, a TikTok page called ATribeCalledZimbabwe showcases the work of an award-winning female designer, Nomakhosazana, the CEO of the Fashion Design Center, who celebrates Zimbabwean culture and heritage through luxury tribal fashion crowns, leather, and cowhides.
Hi everyone, my name is Zana. As you know that I am the Tribe Queen, founder and creative director of ATribeCalledZimbabwe. Do you wear the iconic Ndlovukazi crown? Our flagship crown that went so viral and has been loved by so many queens across the world. Do you wear that crown? Or do you wear the Zianda crown? A crown that's inspired by growth, maturity, and elegance.
Her work is extraordinary.
I was looking for an audio to go with this video, but honestly, the dress is the audio. It doesn't need anything else.
She uses materials like baby zebra strips, python skins, lion hides, tiger, cobra patterns, raw leather, and turns them into fashion that speaks to the world. She has traveled across continents with her designs, showing how African heritage can inspire global style.
The British Ambassador, His Excellency Pete Vowles, requests the pleasure of the company of Nomakhosazana at a garden party to celebrate the birthday of His Majesty King Charles III on Wednesday, 11 June 2025.
From spiritual use to high-end runways, and from artisan workshops to international fashion shows, animal skin fashion in Africa is more than a look, it's a legacy. My name is Joe Gamali, and this is Avadada TV, where African culture and fashion comes alive through storytelling, music, dance, and ancestral wisdom. Please subscribe if you love content that showcases Africa's rich traditions and creative brilliance. Thank you and God bless.